Jai Siya Ram everyone, welcome back to my channel English with Desi Madam. My name is Rita and how are you doing guys? I hope you all guys are doing absolutely fine. So friends, in today's video I'm going to share with you a wonderful technique, and believe me friend, this technique not only improve your English but also it will give you some technique that will help you to think in English. Okay, so without any further delay, let's get into the topic. But before going to the topic, it's my humble request to all of you, if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, so please do subscribe my channel, because these things gives me boost to create more and more valuable content for you every day. So watch the video right till then, don't skip the video. Okay friends, so let's get into the topic. Okay friends, so today topic I'm going to share with you a wonderful technique, amazing technique, and the technique name is that picture visualization. So this is a wonderful technique. Okay, so for this technique, what you need to do, you need to first look at the picture very carefully, and then think about the incident, think about the happening, what is happening in this picture, and you can make a sentence, you can make a story after seeing a picture. You can make a story in your mind. So in this way, there are two benefit on picture visualization of this technique. Okay, so the first benefit is that you can easily speak in English, and the second thing is that your mind have to have it to think in English, how to create some sentence in English, how to think about the incident. So there are many benefit of this wonderful technique. Okay, so for picture visualization, you have to first, what are the things that you have to follow by seeing a picture, why and how to create a story. So you have to follow 3 or 4 things. So the first thing that you have to follow, that is you have to if you are going to make a picture, if you are going to make a story, so you have to make a story only past tense. Okay, only past tense, because story that is happened. Okay, so you have to use past tense while telling a story, okay, so this is the first thing that you have to follow while creating any story. Okay, so the second thing that you have to follow, think the picture. First thing is that watch the picture very carefully, think about all the things that about the about the tree, about the sun, about everything whatever in this picture, that you have to think everything in your mind in English. Okay, directly in English, not in your native language, because once you think about your native language, so you have to you have to take a long pause to speak in English. And once you think about directly in English, so there is automatically flows. Okay, so first thing is that I'm going to give you 2 demo. Okay, and in the end of this video, I'm going to give you a homework. Okay, so first I am going to give you a picture that you have to see very carefully. So look at the picture. So this is a picture. In this picture you can see there is 4 part. Okay, and every part have a number, like first, second, third, fourth. That means the sequence of happening. Okay, so first, okay, after seeing this picture, so what you need to do, you need to think about the what is happening. Okay, so I'm going to give you a demo. So in this picture, the first part, it seems that there was a girl, and she was coming from the school. So when she was coming from the school, on the road she met a puppy, and it seems that the puppy wanted to say something. Okay, something that girl. And yes, when that girl looked at the puppy very carefully, so there was blood running its right leg. It seems that someone hurt, hurt that puppy. So that girl, took the puppy and brought its in her house. Okay, and there in her house, there her father, mother, both look, both are very dressed up the puppy, while some medicine and they cleared the wound, no, which is on the puppy. Okay, after healing the wound, after healing the wound means ghav. Okay, and the puppy started to play with that girl. So this is a picture, this is a story. Okay, now I'm going to give you second picture. So you can see the second picture. Okay, there is also four part of this picture: first, second, third, or fourth. So this is a sequence of happening. Okay, so first picture you can see there were two friends, rabbit and a mouse. Both were talking with each other, and there was also a cat. She was hiding behind the stone. Okay, and second picture, the when the cat got a chance to attack on on the mouse, so he picked up the mouse, and she she grabbed the mouse and started to eat that mouse under the coconut tree. And at that time, the rabbit shoot on the coconut with a stone. Okay, guler with a stone, and the coconut break down and fall on the head of the rabbit. Okay, and then the mouse released. In this way, the rabbit escaped the life of his fast friend. So this is the second story. Okay, now I am going to give you a homework. So this is the third story. You can see very carefully, and now you have to make a story. Okay, according to me. Okay, what is happening, you can relate all the sequence and then create a story. Okay, so friends, that's all I wanted to share with you in this video. And this technique, like a picture visualization technique, this technique, wonderful technique. Okay, so you can use this technique while learning this language. And once you perfect in this technique, so there are many picture whenever you get out from your house, so you can see everywhere there are many picture. So once you will perfect in this technique, so you can automatically think about every picture. Okay, what is happening, what is going on, and in this way your thinking in English will improving. Okay, so friends, that's all I wanted to share with you in this video, and I hope you like my video. If you did so please give it a like, to share with your friends and family, and let me know in the comment box how did you like my video, because I love to read your comments. So friends, we will see you in the next video. Till then, Jai Siya Ram.